Welcome to Maths Guru channel. This month, our target is to solve the 2021 Waec mathematics question together. So, I join you all to join us and study at Maths Guru with Agi Pop Fidelis. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe so you will be informed anytime we upload a new video. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. Alright, for question number 1 is on significant figure. So, we are expected to correct 0.00798516 to 3 significant figures. Based on our discussion on significant figures, we have the first significant figure as the first non-zero digit in any given figure. So, if we move from the left-hand side to the right-hand side, that is from 0 here to the right-hand side, we have the first non-zero digit to be 7. The first non-zero digit is 7, so we count the next digits, 9 as the second significant, and 8 is the third significant. So the next thing to consider is the number after the third significant. Is it up to 5? If it is up to 5, we round it up to 1. And then add it to the digits before it. So we are going to have 0.00798. Now we are to consider 5 here, which is the digit after the third significance. If it is since it's up to 5, it is exactly equal to 5, so we round it up to 1 and add it to the digit before it. So when we add this, we're going to have 99700.0, and the correct option here will be C. But remember, if it is not up to 5, you round it down to 0. You round it down to 0 and add to the digit before it, so it will be exactly what you will get as given to you in the question there. Now, the second question is simplify 1 base 2 squared. So we are simply going to multiply this 1 times 1. If we multiply this, we're going to have 1 times 1 1 times 1 1 times 1 1 times 1 1. So we're going to add everything now. Add everything, and if we add that, we're going to have 1 down, nothing there, 1 plus nothing, we have 1. Remember, our answer is going to be in base 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. We cannot write 2 in base 2 number, so we divide it by 2 and put down the remainder. So 2 by 2, we have 1 remainder 0. We take that 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. We cannot write 2, so we divide it by 2 again to have 1 remainder 0. Then we transfer that 1. 1 divided by 2 is 0, remainder 1. Or we can simply put it down since it's not up to 2. And then the answer will be 1001 to base 2. The correct option here is A, which is 1001 to base 2. The next question is 2 raised to the power of the square root of 2x plus 1 is equal to 32. This is a question on indices. So we're going to express this in index form, and we're going to have 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 to be equal to 2 raised to the power of 5, because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will be equal to 32. So we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 raised to the power of 5 to be equal to 32. So we have the base to be the same now. We have 2, 2. So we are going to compare the index. The powers now is what we're going to compare. So we have root 2x plus 1 to be equal to 5. To remove this root, we square both sides of the expression. We square both sides, square, square. So the square can cancel the square root to be left with 2x plus 1 equal to the square of 5 is 25. That is to say, we're going to have 2x to be equal to 25 minus 1. And 2x will be equal to 24. To get the value of x, now we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. Divided by 2, divide this by 2, and 2 can go with 2. We are going to be left with x equal to 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. So the correct answer is 12, and that is C. Question number 4. If log 2 to base 10 is equal to m and log 3 to base 10 is equal to n, find the log of 24 to base 10. All right. Log 24 to base 10 is the same thing as the log of 8 times 3 to base 10, which is the same thing as log 8 base 10 plus log 3 base 10. All right. Recall that log 8 base 10 can also be written as log 2 raised to the power of 3 base 10. And then we have, of course, log 3 to base 10. And this will be equal to, anytime we have a number in logarithm expressed this way, we can simply move the power here. So we can have 3 log 2 base 10 plus log 3 to base 10. All right. It is given in the expression that log 2 is equal to m. So we substitute into this value 3 times m, which is log 2 to base 10, plus log 3 to base 10 is equal to n. So we substitute there n. 3 times m is equal to 3m and plus n. Therefore, the correct option for this will be A, which is 3m plus n. Now, the last question we're going to resolve for this session is to find the fifth term of the sequence 2, 5, 10, 17. If you check this sequence carefully, you will notice that the formula connecting all this is n squared plus 1, where n is the number of terms. You can do that, test that, and see if the first, we are talking of the first term now. In place of n, we put 1 squared plus 1, which is going to give us 2. Second term, we are going to have 2 squared plus 1, which is going to give us 5. So for fifth term, we are going to have 5 squared plus 1, which is equal to 25 plus 1, and that will give us 26. Therefore, the correct option for this is D. By so doing, we have resolved the first 5 questions we have in the 2021 Waec question. Please kindly subscribe so you will be informed anytime we upload the next set, which will be 6 to 10. Thank you and stay tuned.